Good morning children. Today we came back to our second class maths, block 15, LP3. I hope you all have finished your S1 and S2 in your workbook. Let's go for LP3 block 15, multiplying tables 3, 4, 6 and 9. LP3 is multiplying by 6. Yes, here I have drawn some box in this picture. So what is this? Let's find out children. We have two rectangles. So here we have two rectangles here. 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 into 5. Here 2 into 5. So 2 5s are 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 2 more. So I have drawn here 2 more. When we add, here 2 times have come children, no problem. When we add these two rectangles together to make a table of 6. So here we are adding more 2. So here we have drawn the picture here. How many are there children? I have drawn fully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 more I have joined here. 2 more I have drawn a rectangle here. So 2 more means total how many children? 6. So 2 rows. So 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12 or 2 6 are 12. So 2 rows into 6. So 2 6 are 12. Let's open our reader children in page number 108. Multiplying by 6. So here 0 into 6 means there are 6 things in each row. 2 into 6 means there are 2 rows. Each row has 6 things. There are 12 things in all. We can find the table of 6 by adding table of 5 and 1. We can also skip by 6 to find the answer. 6 is to find the answer. So here 1 into 6, 2 into 12, 3 into 18, 4 into 24, 5 30, 6 36, 7 42, 8 48, 9 54, 10 is 60. So we are doubling here. So skip counting. So 6 more 6 means 12. In 12 if we add 6 18. Like that 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Okay, here we have the example here. Rahul makes 3 rows with 6 cars in each row. How many cars are there in all? So here we have drawn the picture here. How many are there here? 1, 2, 3 rows. How many are there? 3 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the 3 how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 3 into 6 is 18. Write the multiplication sentence. The second is skip count by 6. Okay children, let's open our workbook. Open the workbook page number 37. Write today's date S3 multiplying by 6. Here skip count by 6 and find in the blank. Fill the blank. Sorry children. Skip count by 6 and fill in the blanks. Okay. So the first one is 2 into 6. So 2 6 are 12. B1 1 into 6. So 1 6 are 6. C1 1 into 6. 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. D1 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. Yes. The second bit is add one shaded square to each row in the rectangle. Write the multiplication sentence for it. So we are going to add one more square for this given method. The first one is, here you have given the picture. So 3 into 5. So first we have to take this 3 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 rows of 5. So 3 into 5. So he told to more he told to add. So 1, 2, 3 we added, no children. So total how many are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rows? 3 of 6. 3 into 6. So 3 6 are 18. Next the B1. Here he told 4 into 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many children more we have to draw? 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have drawn 4 more. So how many children? 4 into 6 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of 6. So 4 6 are 24. Next C1. C1 only he have given this children 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he have given 6 rows of 5. So here we have to write 6 into 5. And 6 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more we have drawn here. Shade this in color pencil children. Okay. Draw this and shade with color pencil. Okay. So 6 more. So 6 6 are 36. Okay children. Next, the third bit. What numbers will Dia get if she doubles all the answers in the table of 3? In which table do these numbers come? So children, Dia, she have doubled all the answers of 3. So all the answers of 3, if she double, what will get the answer? Let's find out. 3. 3, here we'll write here 3. 3, 6. If she add 12. If she add 3, 18. 24. Yes children, sorry. If she doubles 3, 3 means 6 children. Sorry, 6. If she doubles 6 is 12. 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. I am sorry children, you have to double 3. 3 means 6 no children. So 6, we have to add more 6. So we are doubling here 6. So these numbers come in table of 6. Okay children. Thank you so much. See you in your next class.